So here we are going to show the method called partial differences, which is a method used to practice subtraction. Ideally, you want to see, this can help your student help see what is getting subtracted, because this is going to help break it into smaller parts. With subtraction, with smaller parts, it helps it be more simpler to do. As well, this method could help your student start understanding negatives a little bit, which is not a must, but it is at least a start to it. So let's start with our first problem, 456 minus 364. So how we start this is we start with our hundreds place, that is our 400 and 300. Now, what it's showing you is 400 minus 300, which should get you 100. Next is our tens place. That is our 50 and our 60. 50 minus 60, which should get you minus 10. Let me show this with our same number, so that would be minus 10. Because 60 is bigger than 50 by 10. Our next values are our ones place, which is our 6 minus 4, which brings us to 2. Our next step is we are going to add all of these together. So this should get us to 100 minus 10 plus 2. Now you can do it from these two first. So 100 minus 10, which gets you 90 plus 2. So your answer here is 92. Okay, we have another example. So this is 874 minus 295, and we're going to do the same thing of using partial differences. Now again, we start with our hundreds place. That is our 800 minus 200, which gets you to 600. Our next values are our tens values, so that is our 70 minus 90, which an idea you can maybe help your student to understand where we get the negative 20 from, or a minus 20, is your 90 minus 70 is 20, but since 90 is bigger than 70, we need to add our minus because we are running out of our positive values. Next and last is our 4 minus 5. This gets you the minus 1. And again, what we did as the last one, this is where we put them all together. So 600 minus 20 minus 1. This might help your student do this first. So 580 minus 1, which gets you 579. So hopefully this method will help your students see the differences in the place values again, and seeing what is getting added or what is getting subtracted, and to help maybe start on our negatives.